In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Stripe account. Whether you're a small business owner or simply looking to start processing payments online, setting up your Stripe account is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Stripe's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. This will take you to Stripe's homepage, which is designed to help you grow your revenue through a robust financial infrastructure. Once you're there, you'll easily spot the option to sign up. For convenience, Stripe offers the ability to sign up using Google, which we'll be using for this tutorial. Click on the Sign Up with Google button. This option allows you to use your existing Google account, streamlining the process and ensuring your information is securely handled. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you will be prompted to do so. Make sure you've selected the Google account you'd like to associate with your new Stripe account. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to decide which one is best suited for your business needs. After selecting the appropriate Google account, you will need to confirm your choice. Click on your account to proceed. This step is crucial as it links your Google credentials to Stripe, allowing for seamless integration and access. Remember, the account you select will be used for all future Stripe activities, so choose wisely. Next, you'll see a Continue button. Clicking this will finalize your selection and move you forward in the Stripe account creation process. This step is all about confirming your intent to use this Google account with Stripe. It's as simple as that. Now that you've connected your Google account, Stripe will guide you through the rest of the setup process. You'll be asked to provide some additional information about your business, such as your business name, address, and other relevant details. Be sure to have this information handy to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted setup. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have a fully functional Stripe account ready to go. From here, you can start setting up payment processing, integrating Stripe with your website or application, and exploring the various features and tools that Stripe offers to help manage and grow your business. Opening a Stripe account is quick and easy, thanks to their intuitive interface and Google integration. Now, you're ready to start accepting payments and managing your financial transactions with ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.